Hi everyone, Rudy Sampson with GuysWithRides.com. Thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel. Caveat emptor, Latin for let the buyer beware. Nothing could be more true in the collector car world than that expression. Today I'm going to take you through a real-world example where I saw a collector car online that I thought looked really good until I saw it in person. And first of all, full disclaimer, this car was available this week for auction at Mecum Auctions at their Harrisburg, Pennsylvania event. I can't say enough nice things about the staff there, the event. It's a very family-friendly, very well-organized event, and the vast, overwhelming majority of the cars they offer are anywhere from driver quality to concourse quality that I would buy with my own money. This particular car is the exception. And that's no reflection on Mecum, it's a reflection on the dealer that offered it at the auction. So it started out earlier this week. I decided to post 3 cars for my normal Wagon Wednesday feature. One of those cars was my personal favorite. It was a 1969 Volkswagen Squareback 2-door wagon. I like the light blue color, I like the silver wheels that are on it, and the 2-tone interior. A 1700cc engine with dual Webers didn't hurt either. So I featured it, and if you look at the valuations, these things are going through the roof, and I fully expected this car would have gone for $20,000 or so at the auction. Unfortunately, when we saw the car in the staging tent, the more we looked into it, the more we saw that this was a car everyone should walk away from. Let me take you through what we saw. So first off, as you walk up, you'll notice that the car still looks pretty good. It's got a nice shiny paint, and the engine looks clean. Okay, it's been spray painted in a couple of areas, but then we started noticing, well, the engine cover, the insulation's bad, and it actually looked like it almost had a fire at one point. All right, you close that up and you see that the interior is very nice. It's almost a fresh interior. The dashboard's been painted. A nice little aftermarket console. Great carpeting in it. So cosmetically and interior look good. Then you get closer. Here's a great example of something you can't see in a picture until you get really close up in person. A nice little pockmark that was plastic in the door. Then I opened the trunk. This is where things went horribly bad. Look at all the fiberglass overlay. That's not how a Squareback is supposed to look. They basically fiberglassed over everything in the corners of the trunk where the inner quarter panels meet the trunk floor. This was horrific. Then I'm showing you here is some overspray, paint overspray that happened. So as I was going along, it just became more and more evident that this was a quick flip job. Then I crawled underneath, and that's when I saw this. A plate underneath the back seat just bolted in and pop riveted. This is horrific. So that's a perfect example of a car that looks good with a nice paint job, but structurally this car isn't even sound to drive. If there's a silver lining in all of this, what was interesting is when the car did hit the auction block, it stalled at $5,500 and ended up being a bid goes on car. So the car was not sold, and I think the audience spoke, because anybody who knows anything about those cars saw the same thing we did and ran away from that car to something better. So our advice to you is simple. When you're looking at a collector car, particularly at one online, too many pictures and or videos is not enough. You need to look at every little aspect of the car. Even more ideal is, once you see something you like, if you can go see it in person and drive it, we recommend that. Or if you can't do that, find somebody in the area you trust that's reputable that can provide a third set of eyes to evaluate whether the car is worth buying or not. So there you have it. We hope you found this video useful, and if you did, press the like button. And also, please subscribe to our channel, as we'll be adding more content here in the coming weeks to help you navigate the collector car market waters. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.